Hemoglobin and sickle cell anemia. Study the structure of hemoglobin molecule and sickle cell anemia. To study the hemoglobin molecule, we zoom into the lungs, which are richly supplied with blood vessels. A section of the alveolus shows the oxygen molecules that diffuse into the alveolar capillary and are absorbed into the RBCs moving through the capillary. Due to this, the RBCs change their color to bright red. Let us study a RBC closely. We find that it is made up of many molecules of the red pigment called hemoglobin. Structural analysis of hemoglobin has revealed that it is a special globular and conjugated protein. It is made up of 2 alpha polypeptide chains and 2 beta polypeptide chains, which form a tetrad. Each of the polypeptide subunits contains a heme group with a central ferrous ion. So each hemoglobin molecule possesses 4 ferrous ions. When an oxygen molecule comes close to the heme group, it is attracted to the ferrous ion and binds with it to form oxyhemoglobin. Oxygen molecules bind to all the ferrous ions. To understand the structure of the polypeptide subunits, let us study the composition of the beta polypeptide subunit. It shows a specific amino acid sequence, namely valine, histidine, leucine, threonine, proline, glutamic acid, lysine. But in a person suffering from sickle cell anemia, the glutamic acid in the beta chain is replaced by valine at the 6th position. This unusual and defective polypeptide chain results in the hemoglobin molecules with reduced oxygen carrying capacity. Under low oxygen concentration, all these hemoglobin molecules stick to each other, forming long fibers. As a result, the RBCs change their shape from biconcave to half-moon or sickle-shaped structures. These distorted cells show reduction in absorption of oxygen and are inflexible, so they tend to stick and pile up in the small capillaries, resulting in reduction of circulation. This disorder is called sickle cell anemia. Recapitulation. Human blood is red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Each molecule of hemoglobin consists of 4 polypeptide chains, of which 2 are alpha chains and 2 are beta chains. The heme group at the center of each polypeptide chain has a ferrous ion, which binds with a molecule of oxygen. When glutamic acid in the beta chain is replaced by valine, it results in reduction of oxygen binding capacity, and the hemoglobin molecules stick together, which results in distortion of the RBCs, which results in vascular obstruction.